Okay, starting with the fireplace, I have this at 8 feet tall. The width shown here, 12, 12, 74. If this is good, I took this per the sketch and keep dialing this in. This material and that black aluminum channel elsewhere. This added a fair amount of complexity to it here doing this with that aluminum channel, but it'll look great. And we grew the size of this in width. We shrunk it down in height, although. And then this unit itself would be 4 inches deep, and then mount it about 2.5 inches off the wall. The kitchen, black hood. These are glass doors. These are slab doors, soffit scribed to the ceiling here. 2 doors for this cabinet under the cooktop with a rollout behind the upper drawer. Spice pull-out, tray divider, your oven and microwave. This skinny cabinet that faces the backyard here. This is all on the same depth of 25.5, including the hood. So, I mean, these cabinets stick out, 13.5 inches more than these. Puck light here, puck light here, puck light, puck light. Front of the island, all black, apron sink, trash. The back, material, doors only here. And then the pantry, again, all black, glass, glass. Then we'll have to, keep dialing in with those racks, slab doors, and the master, all black. So the center of the sink would be 14.5 inches off the walls. Let's go back to the kitchen here. And then this thing here, I just raised it up so we can see. But again, the inside of that's the Macassar and the black perimeter, or vice versa. Yeah, well, we can see that hanging out there. It's a little sluggish. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, so you can see how much that overhangs here. And then this cabinet on the side. This would all be black, Macassar, Macassar, black, Macassar, Macassar, Macassar. Everything else is black. And then you would have about a 2.5 inch piece of trim scribed to the ceiling above these here. Same thing as over here. And this could be stepped out a couple inches. All right, let me know what you think.